Welcome back everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure. This machine has always been a top pick for riders who want the perfect blend of performance, practicality, and that unmistakable KTM attitude. The 2025 version takes everything we loved about the previous models and makes it even better. So let's get right into the full review, the design, the performance, the features, and of course, the pricing, to see if this new 390 Adventure is worth your money. Starting with the exterior, KTM has given the 2025 390 Adventure a slightly sharper, more rugged look. The overall stance remains tall and commanding, giving it that proper adventure bike personality. The LED headlamp design has been tweaked slightly, it's sleeker now, with better illumination for night rides. You also get LED indicators and a more aerodynamic front windscreen that can be adjusted according to your preference. The tank shrouds are more muscular, and the build quality feels tougher this time around. KTM has used new graphics that really pop, especially in the new color options, the classic KTM orange and a stealthy black-gray combo. The bike rides on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels with dual-purpose tires that are ready for both tarmac and dirt. The spoked wheel variant continues for those who love more off-road capability, while the alloy variant is perfect for daily city riders who want less maintenance. Moving to the interior, or rather, the cockpit area, KTM has made this space more premium and feature-packed. You now get a 5-inch full-color TFT display that's brighter, smoother, and easier to read even under harsh sunlight. The interface supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your phone, control music, get call alerts, and even use turn-by-turn navigation through the KTM My Ride app. The switchgear feels much more tactile and solid, giving you that premium feel when you're on the go. The handlebar position and seat height are ergonomically set for both short and tall riders, making long journeys less tiring. Speaking of the seat, the 2025 model brings in a new dual texture seat that's wider and softer, providing excellent comfort over long distances. The fuel tank remains at around 14.5 liters, giving you a decent range of 350 to 400 kilometers depending on your riding style. There's also an improved windscreen that now offers better wind protection at higher speeds. KTM has also slightly revised the rear view mirrors for better visibility, and the overall fit and finish feels like a step up compared to the older models. Now let's talk performance, which is where the 390 Adventure really shines. Under the tank, you get the all-new 399cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, the same platform seen in the new Duke 390, but tuned for adventure touring. This engine produces around 44 horsepower and 39 Nm of torque, an impressive jump in both refinement and responsiveness. KTM has improved the throttle mapping, so the power delivery feels smoother, especially at low speeds or while off-roading. The 6-speed gearbox comes with a bi-directional quickshifter, which is a huge plus for seamless up and down shifts. The slipper clutch ensures you get smooth deceleration without wheel hop. Suspension duties are handled by 43mm WP Apex forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The suspension travel gives you enough confidence to take on rough terrains, gravel roads, or broken city paths. The ground clearance sits around 200mm, which is more than enough for mild to moderate off-roading. The braking setup features a 320mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS that can be switched to off-road mode, meaning you can disable ABS on the rear wheel for more control on loose surfaces. On the road, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure feels lively, planted, and confidence-inspiring. The new chassis setup provides excellent stability at high speeds and nimbleness in city traffic. The engine vibrations are much better controlled compared to previous models, thanks to improved internal balancing. Whether you're riding through twisty mountain roads or cruising on highways, this bike handles it all with ease. In terms of features, KTM continues to impress. You get ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, cornering ABS, off-road mode, and even a ride mode selector. The electronics package is class-leading in this segment, making it one of the most advanced adventure bikes under 500cc. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure is expected to be priced between 3.6 lakh rupees to 3.8 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India, depending on the variant you choose, alloy or spoke wheels. Considering the equipment, performance, and capability it offers, it's actually a solid value proposition. To sum it up, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure is not just an update, it's a major evolution. It's lighter, more powerful, more comfortable, and more refined. Whether you're an experienced tourer or someone stepping into the world of adventure riding, this bike delivers on every front. It's a motorcycle that can handle your daily city rides during the week and your wild weekend adventures without breaking a sweat. So, that's the complete review of the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed bike reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the KTM 390 Adventure over its rivals like the BMW G310 GS or the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe and stay adventurous.